So what does filter look like? So we use the filter function on the enum or stream modules, like usually when we're mapping over stuff. And the first argument that filter takes is the enumerable, a list or an array that we want to loop over and run something on. The second one is our anonymous function, which contains a condition. And if this condition returns a truthy value, that's what's going to be added to our new list. And we are going to get an entirely new list with all of the things, all of the items that pass this condition. And then we have the keyword end. So let's go see what that looks like. Let's actually write our own, make it a lot easier to visualize. So we'll say, let's create our own list. We'll say my list equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wow, I got all that right without a typo. Epic success. My list, and then we'll say enum.filter, and it'll pass in, what's the first argument? If you said my list, you are correct. We're passing in the enumerable, and the second argument is going to be our anonymous function. So this anonymous function, we want to get the even numbers in this case. So we're going to say fn z,
our handy dandy
the operator here, which is a dash and a greater than sign, a rem z in 2 equals 0 end. So if whatever our item is, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if 1 divided by 2 equals 0, that's going to return truthy, and it's going to come back in our new list. So we're getting the even items here, right? In this case, it's going to be 2 and 4. Wow, Tyler, great math abilities. Much success, very impressed. Okay, let's press enter here, and we get our even values back, right? How cool is that? 2 and 4. So essentially, we filtered out everything that didn't match this condition. So let's say, for example, we want the odd numbers, okay? So we're going to do like that. If the remainder of this item divided by 2 is not 0, we're going to return that. So what's that going to give us? I'm going to go ahead and say it's going to give us 1, 3, and 5. Let's see. Boom! So good at math. But anyway, that's filter for you. It's really awesome. There's also the opposite of filter, which is reject, and we'll look at that maybe in another video. But basically what it does is it doesn't return the stuff that you have in your condition. It basically rejects them.